This is a story about a family determined to share the adventure of high-performance glazing systems with everyone. We uphold our values of respect for customers, employees, shareholders, everywhere we do business. And we do business internationally. Just spin the globe and find an opportunity. It's that easy, if you're brave enough. In recent years, everything we do has undergone a technological revolution. Our business processes got improved through automation, and our basic manufacturing process has evolved into powerful automated business processes and workflows. We are proud to present CNC machines, practical, accurate, and stable. High-precision CNC water jet cutting service. The thin-walled octagonal tubes, an important part of structures due to its great characteristics. A multi-million euro warehouse for both raw materials and the finished product has a modern, approachable design and efficient infrastructure. Miral community is made up of more than 130 people. Amazing ladies are part of our family as well. Every single person matters. Their commitment is the key to our success. We're all different, and that's our strength. Our numbers speak for themselves. The manufacturing area, 11,500 square meters. The administration building, 1,200 square meters. Showroom, 800 square meters. Since 1996, our joinery has been installed in over 30,000 buildings worldwide. And once upon a time, we started out in a garage. Isn't that amazing? We encourage people to feel pride, a sense of belonging. We want them to feel like they're home. Because this is a story about a family with growth mindset and a brave heart. That's who we are. Miral. Are you ready to join the journey